These are salvaged logs from the guy's backyard. They fell over in a windstorm. And he's looking for 2x12s today. Douglas fir. They'll be heavy, but they'll be good. I was a little concerned that the mill would not be able to pick this log up. It's 24 inches in diameter and 20 feet long of solid Douglas fir. And depending on how much water's in that log, it's probably around 4,000 pounds, which is approaching the lifting capacity of the hydraulics on the sawmill. But there you go. We got it on there, and now we'll carry on to slice it up into little pieces. This one's a little bit longer than I can manage on the mill, so we'll take a measurement and trim it up. Now, being able to load the log is one thing. Being able to manipulate it when it's on there is another thing. The log is so heavy that the chain turner, which turns the log to the next cut, will break out the fibers of the wood. And sometimes you'll run a rut in there and not be able to use the chain turner at all. And then I have to use the clamp back and forth to rotate the log. This fabulous gizmo is called a debarker, and it's simply an electric circular saw blade that cleans the log just in front of the saw blade, which really reduces the dulling of the blades. Okay, that one's done. All that big fir has been transformed. Yeah, that's a good word. Let's call it that. So there we go. 2x12s. This is all out of some windfall that's been sitting around for 3 years. So there's a bit of rot pockets here and there and a few sap cracks. But anyway, that's what's left of the scraps. Some sawdust. And some beautiful 2x12s.